So amidst the disappointment of Shericka Jackson pulling out of the 100 in Paris, the Maverick is going to go positively philosophical and say that this development elevates the chances of Shelly and Fraser Price, Tia Clayton, and now Sasha Lee Forbes to make the medal podium. And look, we have no choice but to move quickly to the plan B. And what better plan B to have than the greatest of them all, Shelly and Fraser Price. Far from perfect season, limited racing. But on the positive side, she has fresh legs. We just need her to remain healthy through the rounds and get to that final. And if there is one warrior we want in that one-off situation to execute in the biggest moment when it matters most, that warrior is Shelly and Fraser Price. And by the way, with all the previous talk about Shericka versus Sha'Carri and what might happen or what might not happen, Tia Clayton was right there under the radar, under no pressure at all. So don't be surprised if Tia, don't be surprised. Don't